Welcome. In this video I will show you how to control your XIAOMI F Pro TV with your smartphone. So the easiest way to do so is by using the native application which is called Fire TV, which is one of the main ways to set up your TV. But still, I understand if you set up your TV using your remote control instead. So I'm just gonna quickly show you what to do instead in case you don't have this application on your smartphone. Go to either your Apple Store, App Store, or the Google Play Store and find the Amazon Fire TV application, download and install it, and then open it. And after that, you're gonna have to select this plus icon and select setup new Fire TV. Your phone will automatically find your TV around even if it's not connected to the internet, and then you'll be able to select it and log into your Amazon account. And after you do that, your TV will appear on the list of your devices, just like you can see it right here. And now you just have to select your TV, then enter the code that you see on your TV screen. And after that, you'll be able to start using this remote control to control your TV. Here we have the D-pad, we have the keyboard, which you can use at any time. We have apps menu, we have voice control, we have more settings like the touchpad. We have home button, return button, options button, and all the media controls, and also shortcuts to all the streaming services. And besides, we can also change the volume and the channel on our TV. And also I cannot really see where if we can change the source using this application. No, I think it's the way. If we go to more apps, or by clicking right here, we can switch to the TV source. Okay, yeah. And so that's basically how we do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.